Bitcoin and Ethereum did really amazing move as we expected yesterday. I hope many of you saw analysis that I published it yesterday in our public Telegram on our YouTube about big move is coming, and you can see that volatility increased. Ripple broke the range. Ethereum did significant rise. Bitcoin reached all-time highs. That means quite a lot of volatility happens, and let's discuss what potentially could be the next. Before I ask you, below this video, there would be a push like and follow me on Telegram. There would be a link here. Why? Because every update you will get here. Plus, for every person who would follow me on Telegram, we automatically will send to you access to our strategy, masterclass and PDF files. That's why push follow, and you will get all of that stuff for free. What about once more about BTC? At this moment, Bitcoin reached this range high. Why this stuff matter? Because it is exactly a key resistance. Remind to you that many days ago within our community, I shared exactly these two plans. I shared such long with a target 112, which at this moment already hit. And second, it is short in the case of reaching this all-time high, especially with significant impulse. At this moment, I took short trade within our community with such entry point as such stop loss. What was the reason why we took it? Because at this moment, really massive open interest entered at high and super positive delta. I hope those buyers will be trapped and before any significant move actually happens, their stop losses would be taken. That's the reason why at this moment I take one short attempt. Why I do so? Because first price reached a range high. If we build this anchored VWAP since start of this range, you can see that price so close to 2.5 VWAP deviation, which honestly powerful resistance. And from my point of view, chances for taking stop losses really big. Because it is not the first time before price make actual breakout, they create significant fake outs and they can do it for several times. That's why I share with you at this moment this trade. What about what also you need to understand? That here I warned all our community members when I took this trade that I take only one short. If price hits stop loss, no reopen. It is only one attempt because we had planned, we must follow it. Price in a range. What about other ideas? Like it is my short plan. What about other ideas? Can BTC potentially hit our stop loss and continue rise? Yes, that's possible. That's why for that scenario, what would be a signal that better would be to follow up. At this moment, you can see this beautiful value, and the only clear breakout above value would be a signal for me. My apologies. Only clear breakout out of value would be a signal for me that short ideas failed and we must be bullish, something like this. Price fix above all-time high, create local range, and only that would be a signal. Example for you. The best example was here. When price, after significant volume, there was also significant open interest rise. What they did after that, they squeezed up and they closed above significant volume. If something like this happens, I would close my short and would become bullish, only in this case. Also, if our short idea would play out, what would be the best place for a long? For long, we have only two places where it is really wise to take long. First place, it is around 104, 105K, 105K. It would be exactly a swing low, a really good place, and quite a lot of people who took long here exactly. With big chance their stop losses would be exactly at that area. That's why below it would be a good place for a long area, I would say, because it's exactly this imbalance plus win low, That's why around 105, 104, it is a good place. And of course, a second good place, it is around 2.5 or third VWAP deviation of this entire range. That key area, it is exactly here at 99, 666 or 98, 400. It is two key areas where it is the best to take long. That's why summary. At this moment, I have short trade. Let me do this beautiful summary. I have short, open short. If I become wrong and price would do formations that I shared with you, I would change my plan and would become bullish. Or I would do long trades only in the case of reaching one of these key zones. That's why let's go to other coins at this moment. Push like and remember to follow me, because every update, every secret about my strategy you will get in my public Telegram channel. One small link is in description, and everyone who subscribes to the channel, we will share masterclass with my strategy, all approaches that you need to become profitable. Ethereum. What about Ethereum? Within our team, we discussed about Ethereum for many days. It was my major plan on Ethereum, long in the case of range low taking, or some local confirmation at 2480. You can see price reached key resistance at this moment. Price didn't do stop loss hunt. That's why, honestly, I didn't participate in this move. At this moment, Ethereum reached a range high. That's why here there could be potentially trap. That's why you can see we have 2.5 and third VWAP deviation, which previously played out as a key resistance for many times. That's why here there could be some potential pullback from those areas. And at 28.50, if there would be some bull trap, I would take short. What would be my ideal scenario for Ethereum? Some trap here, and only after that, clear breakout. With bigger chance, I think Ethereum would continue this uptrend, because you can see after this massive up movement, we had a significant range. Price took stop loss into both directions. And like at this moment, everything looks like there would be a breakout. That's why still best entry would be in the case of some stop loss hunt, especially into the POC area. That's why once more, around 28.50, I look for some setup for short. If that EPS, of course, I will take it. And around POC, it is, of course, key support at this moment, this POC. It is around 25.40. It is a key support, like major support. And here it is really would be the best to take long. Ripple broke range, as we discussed before. On Ripple, we have massive rise of open interest on Ripple. Let me show it to you. On Ripple, we have massive rise of open interest, maybe as a record numbers. I didn't see such numbers for a while, and those numbers only go on up. You can see open interest continue rising, which is good and healthy for potential move. I have only one plan in the case of some pullback or range to take long. That's it. Because right now it's difficult to take long, because you don't know at what moment there would be some pullback. That's why we need consolidation to take a trade. Example of such consolidation, even something like this, something like this, something like this, like anything like that. And let's go to Solana. Solana also started rise, and again you can see nearly each coin started rise without clear stop loss hunt. What about right now? If you have long trade, keep it. Still, I think price can go up, take 167, or price can go up, take 187. Still, best place to take long only if there would be a range low taking. That's why, friends, market really awesome. And at this moment, you can see that volatility is coming. There would be a lot of good opportunities. That's why stay tuned. Remember to push like and subscribe, because new updates I do when I see beautiful ideas that I share with you. And right now, I prepared for you a video lesson about how I use open interest, because you see how it helped me to identify the big volatility is coming and use it by yourself. Have a good day.